What's up, family? This is your boy, Professor Cornelius Ward, and you are here to profit with the professor. Just wanted to give you guys another update. We did US dollar index today, about 4 hours ago. And let's take a look at it real quick, and then we'll jump right into Aussie dollar. Just wanted you guys to see that I was looking at the US dollar index, and I can see that it came into an area of supply. We identified 102.71. It has now turned. We should have some downtrend for this. I don't even believe that this bottom will hold, so I would not suggest buying here, even though I have these buy positions here. It's just possibilities of a turn, but all in all, Dixie's in a downtrend. Here are several reasons. Basically, the way the Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates. We have the conflict in Ukraine, just what people feel about the economy as a whole, and then the global recession that we're either in or coming into, depending on who you're talking to. As far as I'm concerned, we're already in it. And everything that we're experiencing now is a false positive. So I believe we're in it. We're just not experiencing it because, of course, these uh, things like, especially the Federal Reserve, they're kind of keeping things at bay for us and making us feel a little comfortable while we're going through. But we can feel it still. You can still feel the pressure of the economy changing, and it's not good right now. Prices have just gone up through the roof. All in all, if Dixie continues this downtrend, we should expect uptrend on all of these pairs, including gold, XAU, USD, and for those of you who trade the CFDs. All right. Now, looking at that, as you can see, I identified these pairs here. So we already did euro dollar. So go take a look at that analysis. And now I'm going to do Aussie dollar here. So Aussie dollar, I have my curve analysis with the pivot high being at 71.578. And my pivot low is at 65.532, basing that on the 10-hour chart. I have my primary buy limit order, which is at 66.50 if it pulls back. If price action continues to go to the upside, I'm looking at 67.07. And if price action pulls back really hard to a support level that I believe is at 65.85, then I'll go ahead and jump in there. Remember, I use a position size of 2 to 3% of my net asset value or gross balance. I also do a one-to-one trade so that my stop loss is outside of the curve that we're looking at. I do not do tight stop losses like this, but I do it on the videos here for those of you who do trade with tight stop losses. For me, they get hit a lot. So I'm not interested in losing money at all. I'd rather have a small position size and a big stop loss far away, and then I keep winning rather than trying to make big money and, most likely with a tight stop loss and I keep losing. So that's kind of how I play the game with Forex. I don't do that with other markets, but that's kind of what I do here because Forex is very volatile. It moves a lot, so you want to steer away from all of those huge swings. Now, getting back to this, my TP that I have here for the first one is at 67.50. The second one I have, I'm going to be also shaving from both of these a quarter of my position. So the second one I have is 69.25. Lastly, I'm going to be completely closing out everything at 70.33. And I'm going to be preparing for the possibility of it pulling back or shorting again, possibly retracing, depending on what we get and how strong it's going to be up here. But it looks pretty strong, and it looks like it could hit 71.25. And if it does and begins to turn, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing, and then we'll go from there. But again, this is my curve analysis for Aussie dollar. And if you happen to, enjoy and love everything that you see here, maybe not everything, but a few ideas, because I'm not perfect. I'm human just like everybody else. You see over here, got stopped out, trying to be greedy and go both ways. But all in all, we learn our lessons. It's not like we don't know what we did wrong. That's the key to making a mistake. Just know what you did wrong and then do your best not to do it again. All right. So if you like any of these ideas, go ahead and give them a boost for me. Like these little rocket ships, what will happen is those other people who are, looking to learn and to capitalize from trading here in TradingView who haven't yet mastered how to trade, you can help them out. You can pay it forward. Just boost the trade. That way, when they look for these, maybe this one will pop up and they'll be able to be blessed just like you and I are blessed from this. Many of these are coming from you guys. You guys are asking us to chart. I'm sorry. So we're charting and then we're posting these here. So if you want something for us to chart, give us a shout out. I have one coming up by Bill Tootin. I think I'm saying his name correctly. I'm going to be doing the NAS 100 soon. So shout out to Bill for that as well. And so if you like the ideas here and you want to be alerted of them, you can go ahead and follow us here. And you can also reach out to me or the team at Telegram at Daily Bread Chat Group. And you can catch us on our website, me and the team at toshimarkets.com. If you don't know who my team is, here they are. So if you guys want to go ahead and follow them, you can go ahead and do that as well. All right. Well, God bless you guys. Wish you guys the best. And I hope you are profiting with the professor. Take care.